China's telecommunication giant Huawei on Thursday expressed optimism that Zambia was destined for greater heights in its digital transformation agenda. While acknowledging that there was still more space to support the digital environment in Zambia, Phil Lee, the Huawei vice president for the Southern African region, said the current situation was encouraging compared to the past.
So, firstly, I hope I can continue bring the new technology here. Second, I hope I can bring more connectivities. I hope during the coming 3 years, we can connect more unconnected people or more unconnected village to help the people in rural area can connect to the worldwide.
He said the company was happy to be part of Zambia's digital transformation through various projects, such as the erection of communication towers in all parts of the country to enhance access.
We call it a tower project, which is to provide coverage in rural area. In the past several years, we have done some of the tower project, built a tower together with Zemtel, and I think this project will continue, and we will continue bring more and more new technology and solution to here.
According to Lee, the company's Digital Innovation Leadership Program, launched in collaboration with the government last month, was a step in the right direction in building the digital environment in Zambia. Under the partnership, Huawei will provide training to 500 students and 50 instructors in digital skills, construct a premier digital innovation hub to act as a center of excellence for information and communication technology, and establish a digital innovation scholarship under the patronage of the country's president over the next 4 years.
We can have more and more the ICT local talent, the local young people. They know this kind of ICT technology. As you can see that for Huawei company, we are the international company. In every country, we would like to use more and more the local staff, the local employee.